Hey everybody, it's Ron Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make Spanish beef stew. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're just going to start with half a brown onion. And all we want to do is just chop this up. Now not too thin, not too thick. Just like so. And the other ingredient we'll need is half a kilo of diced beef. So let's move on to our stove. So just on a medium heat, we'll start by adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And we'll add our onions straight in. After about a minute, we'll add in our beef. And we just want to cook those together until our beef has browned. Alright, so once your beef has browned and your onions have softened, we'll add in about 1 cup of red wine. Now we're going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Next we'll add in about 2 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste. And we just want to mix all that through. And we're going to top this up with about 2 cups of chicken stock. And I'm going to add in 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, and about 1 crushed garlic clove. Alright guys, so put it down to a low to very low medium heat, lid on, and we want to simmer this for around 45 minutes to an hour. Alright guys, so we're just at the 1 hour mark now, so let's have a look. And just look at that, that looks beautiful. So our beef is cooked nicely, it's nice and tender. So at this stage we can turn our heat off. The first thing you want to do is discard our bay leaves. Okay, and let's go ahead and serve. Alright, and there we have it. So let's finish it off with some fresh parsley. Beautiful. So guys, this is beautiful on its own, but if you want to match it up with something, it goes perfectly with mash, with some vegetables, with some rice, whatever you like. So this recipe also can be done with lamb or chicken, so that's just up to you. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.